Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode I'm making my very first ever Swedish torch and cooking a ribeye steak over it. This is the 14-inch Camper's Axe by Estwing. I like it. When making the fire, trying to use the magnesium for the initial spark flash to get the fire going, the wind was just blowing too hard. The little pieces of magnesium are going everywhere, and my tinder wasn't doing a good job of keeping the fire. Of course, it didn't have enough oxygen, but that's beside the point. So I returned to the rusty trusty fire starter of a cotton ball that is coated with petroleum jelly. That works great. You open up the cotton fibers inside, they take a spark super well, and then the cotton that is soaked with the petroleum jelly will burn a nice steady burn for quite a while. The knife I'm using is a Gerber Gator, full tang with a nylon sheath. I like it because it's nice and light and the blade is thin, and it makes it easy for slicing things when cooking. The pan we're using in today's video is a WA carbon steel pan. It's their 10-inch size. I overcooked the first ribeye just a little bit. The second ribeye, much better. The biggest lesson I learned when making my first Swedish torch is that fire needs oxygen. Did I already know this? Yes, but somehow I forgot when I was making the fire. Next time I think I will cut the center part of the logs out all the way, full length, and that should help giving some aeration. Plus I'll probably put in some larger spacers to give a little more air gap around each of the log sections so more air can get to the fire. Let us know what you think down in the comments below, and please share any helpful hints you have on making Swedish torch fires also. Thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.